I am doing another Dutch door spread with these amazing looking blooms. They're so pretty and I've been so excited to use them. Let's go. This bullet journal is from the Happy Planner. It's a new one I started. I have big plans for this. So this is only the second spread. I have another video for the first one, but I haven't finished editing it yet. This is some scrapbook paper that I had, and I just happened to see it and thought it would look really cute with this, and I think it did. It turned out really well. This is a Tombow Mono Air adhesive. It is linked in the description. With this type of adhesive, you are able to pick it up and rearrange it within the first few seconds, but once you let it set, it's stuck forever. I am not sure where I got this washi tape. I might have got it from a Facebook de-stash or when they were selling Go Wild merchandise. It might have been then because it kind of looks like Go Wild colors. I don't know, but I saw it in my stash and I thought it was perfect for this spread. Sometimes washi tapes have these little parts where it looks like it's connected. I don't know if it is a manufacturing error or what, but I don't like to have it on my spread, so I just chopped that off and threw it away. If you put down washi tape or washi sticker strips like this, it helps give you a guideline on where to cut, and then you put the stickers on top of it if they're not clear, and then you can just cut around those stickers and it just makes it more convenient, so that way it doesn't end up crooked or wavy or any way that you don't want it to be. Plus you just add a little character and color and pretty to your spread. And now you just continue this process with however many doors that you have planned to do. I am sorry I've not been posting like I used to, but life has been incredibly insane. So this has been happening within the last month, maybe just within the last 2 or 3 weeks, but it started off with my uncle passed away unexpectedly, and my best friend had a lump on her breast, but that turned out to be nothing. My aunt has a lump on her breast. I haven't heard about that yet. Well, let's see, my dad has stage 3 lung cancer, and so we're dealing with that. And then within the past 2 weeks, we've had multiple tornadoes touch down. I've had 2 touch down just by where I live. Within a few miles away, there is a town that was just totally devastated, and it's just been a bunch of distractions, one right after another, which is really affecting my mood and my physical health, and it's just been a struggle. But I hopefully will get back to doing it on a more regular basis. Also, get back to doing some that maybe aren't voiceovers. Like I said before, I do like to do my journals as a voiceover, but my weekly plan with me's, I like to get back to that. I also have a writing series, like a hand lettering series, and I stopped doing that because I got too busy, and I also have a budget series that I got too busy to do. These are things that I'd like to get back to doing. I'm sorry about the sound quality and how they may differ depending on what I'm saying. I have a few microphones I've been trying and to figure out which one's the best. Hang tight with me until I figure that out. Okay, so I know I've done a lot while I was talking, but basically I'm just putting down boxes. I make little clusters on one corner of the page, and then I make another cluster on the opposite edge corner of the page. And I don't know why I do that. I think I saw other creators doing it on their YouTube, and it kind of just was embedded in my brain, because when I first started doing decorative planning, Dutch doors and things like that, I did a lot of YouTube research just to see how other people did their designing, because I just wanted to step it up a little. Okay guys, it's time for a quick sales pitch. I know it's not something you guys like to listen to, but the money we make helps support this channel and all the products that we use. So these boxes are from Mojo Jojo Plans. I do really like using them, honestly, because she has a variety of box sizes and colors and shapes. She has some with lines for journaling, and if I need a color or size, I know where to go. So if you guys want to save a little bit of money, you can use Nikki 10, and that will save you you 10% off. Also on the printable stickers from Planet Darby, she just had a new release put out and they are amazing. You should definitely go check it out. I will link both of these in the description, and you can use code Nikki15 for Planet Darby to save 15%. And I do appreciate if you use my codes or links, but like I've said before with Planet Darby, I am only a rep, so I do not make any commission off of hers. All the money that you use to buy her products goes straight to her shop. Thank you guys, and that is all. I also wanted to say thank you for hanging with me while I go through this hard time. A lot of other things that are going on in my life is resulting in me not putting out as many videos. I do apologize for that. I'm hoping once everything settles down, I can get back to normal. So again, thank you. I appreciate you guys more than you know, and I hope you keep watching. Now I'm just filling in with the stickers I had left over. No rhyme or reason, just kind of where I think they look good. I do like putting florals in the corners like I'm doing right now, and I like to do them on the edges as well. Those are some easy places that you can put stickers or florals. It's just cutting them up, putting them on the edge, putting them around boxes. You can pretty much cut them up and do anything. Don't be scared to cut your stickers up because they can go a long way. This video has literally taken me days to finish. Now the actual video, making my spread, didn't take me any time at all. But getting this voiceover done is like pulling teeth. I have no time. It's crazy. But I did want to say that I went through the town that the tornado destroyed, and I'm gonna pop in a little video right here. That video is really hard for me to watch, being that it is so close to home, and I'm sure some people will watch this video and be like, I didn't get on here to watch a video about tornado damage, but you know what? This poor little community was a poor little community to begin with, and now they are completely devastated. And I just want people to be aware of what tornadoes can do, and pray for them, send positive vibes, whatever you got, send it to them. Well guys, that about wraps it up for me. Just putting those finishing touches on, and then I'm gonna call it a day finally. Hope you guys have a good day.